Hey guys! Today I'm doing another singing video. This time, I'm going to sing my favorite song from the band called Weezer. It's called Island in the Sun by Weezer. What? Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! When you're on a holiday, you can't find no words to say of the place you call your own. You're on a really do on an island in the sun. We'll be playing and having fun, and it makes me feel so fine. I can't control my brain. Hip hip. Hip hip. When you're on the golden sea, you don't need no memory, just a place to call your own. As we drift into the zone, on an island in the sun, we'll be playing and having fun, and it makes me feel so fine. I can't control my brain. We're in it together. We'll spend some time forever. We'll never feel bad anymore. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. Hip. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me again. On an island in the sun, we'll be playing and having fun, and it makes me feel so fine. I can't control my brain. We'll run our way together. We'll spend some time forever. We'll never feel bad anymore. Hip, hip. Hip, never feel bad anymore. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. You know what? I think this is a really good song. Yeah, I really love this song because, I would always hear that song over and over again. And that's why I love to sing that song. And I really always listen to that song because, even when I get bored, I always sing the lyrics. And probably listen to it a lot of times. And probably I would always listen to it before I go to bed. So yeah, I recommend guys listening to it. It's a really good song. So yeah, that was me singing Island in the Sun by Weezer. Thanks for watching. Bye.